everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. I cannot believe we are in March already. Like, this year is already, I feel like, went by so quickly. So yeah, so I don't have the actual box with me anymore because my kitchen ceiling is leaking. I do live in an apartment complex and I feel like someone is having a leaking issue up above and it's coming through my ceiling, which then drenched my kitchen countertops, and my Boxycharm box was on the counter. So there's that. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. I believe it's $28 a month. They do an automatic withdrawal the first of every single month, and then within about, I would say, 10-15 business days, you normally get your Boxycharm box. And you do have 5 full-size products. You do get some very known high-end brands, as well as like other brands that are just coming out, dipping their toes into the community, and you get to try it out and discover new brands, which is pretty cool. You have certain like makeup tools, skincare tools, skincare, makeup. So sometimes you even get like nail polish, things like that. But you do get to choose one item out of your base box. So there's different tiers as well. So I will go ahead and link their website down below. That way you can check them out for yourself. And yeah, but I do get the base box. So I choose one product every single month. So I will show you the product that I chose. So let's get into it. This is the card that we got. Their theme is Game Changer. It is celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month, which is pretty cool. And then on the back of your card, you will get a list of the items that you got, the price that they are, if you would go out and want to buy it again for yourself. And then there is a description of the item that you got as well. So the first item is the item that I chose, which is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's the Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. This goes for $39. Don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette made with Ofra's liquid to baked tech. This 6-pan blush palette is long wearing and ultra pigmented with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. Hit pan, remix or refill all your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Now this is a Boxycharm exclusive. So I'm thinking like the shade range is Boxycharm exclusive, maybe the packaging. You do not get a mirror. The eyeshadows looked a lot more smaller online, to be completely honest, because I was like, ooh, I'm gonna have to use a very small brush but they're not that many. Like, they're not like a full, you know, like this big, which I feel like this is fine because I don't need so many full-size blush pans. So let me take off the little protective covering, and this is the shade range. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and you do have like little like dips in here so that way you can take them out. So this is what they mean by magnetic. So you do have your shades that you can just pop out and then pop it right back in. So I am very excited to dip into this palette. There is a magnet right here, so when you close it, it stays closed. It doesn't come open. So that's cool. All right, next we got the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. So this does go for $69, which, I mean, right there, this is $39, the mask is $69. Like, that is very pricey, and I'm only paying $28 a month for this box. So the box already paid for itself. This is the box that it comes in. On the back, it has like instructions on what to do, and this is your full-size product of your mask. So I'm super excited to use this. I'm actually in the process, like, I just kind of decluttered some of my perfumes and body sprays and things like that, and now I am moving on to my mask drawer because I do have quite a few masks and a lot of them are really old, so I am kind of going through them, but I am very excited to add this to my collection. All right, we have something from Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactive necessary for achieving the best, bounciest skin yet. So this goes for $38, and when I saw this, I'm like, when I saw balm, I'm like, lip balm, eye balm, but no, this is a all over face balm. This is what she looks like, and this is 1 floor ounces, so the same as like a foundation. Ooh, it just reminds me of summer. It smells so freaking good, so I'm excited to use this. I wonder how this would wear though under makeup, you know? Like I feel like balm kind of reminds me of like turning into like a oil base. So normally I wear my oil moisturizers at night, so I don't know. So if that's the case, if it doesn't play super well with makeup, I'll just wear it at night, or when I'm not wearing makeup, just to get that dewy skin look glow. I'm very excited to give this a try. And again, this goes for $38. Next, we have Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick, a luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and a descendant addition to everyone's makeup collection. My eye just twitched. Did you see that? There goes. It's switching again. There it goes. Why is it twitching? Why are you twitching? This does go for $21, and this is what it looks like. So it's a very pretty shade. I do already have this shade in my collection, so I'm not even going to open it. It still has like its sealed packaging, so I'm not going to open it up. I'm just going to go ahead and give it to someone. Like I said, it's a beautiful shade. I just feel like I don't really need this in my collection. So, and that's what's nice about Boxycharm, is you can share your gifts. You know, you're still going to get, even if I didn't like the next item in the box, I still got my money's worth, because I paid $28, and like with these products here that I am excited to use and happy to get, it already makes the box worth it. So that's nice about the Boxycharm, that even if you don't like absolutely, you should like everything in your box, right? But even if there is an item where you're like, no, you're still getting your money's worth. All right, last in the box, it's from Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and maru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Like, yes, sign me up. Let's put it in my hair right now. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. Those are some big claims. This only goes for $16.95, which I know you can go to like Walmart and maybe get one for like, you know, less than $10, but $16 for a hair mask that are saying they're delivering these types of claims, like that's big claims. And if I really like it, it's nice that it's only $16, so it's super affordable to repurchase. So this is what it looks like. You do get 100 milliliters, which is 3.03 floor ounces. So this is like the size compared to my face, so it's a pretty full size product. So I'm very excited to try this. I do have, I think, 2 or 3 hair masks in the shower right now that I am working on. So once I finish one of those up, I'll add this one in, but I don't want to like overcrowd my shower right now, so I'm not going to use it right now, but I'm very excited for this. And that is everything for this month's Boxycharm box. This was such a fun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember guys, beauty is not only on the outside, but it is in the inside too. So please treat yourself with kindness as well as treat others with kindness. Remember to stay you and be true. Bye guys.